Hi! So I'm back with another math video. This one is going to talk about scale factor. So let's get started. Alex made a scale drawing of a house. The scale she used was 2 centimeters equals 3 feet. That's important, so I'm going to put a box around that. If the house is 12 centimeters tall in the drawing, how tall is it in real life? So this problem has a keyword, and that keyword that we're seeing is scale drawing. So that means that this problem is talking about scale factor. Remember that scale factor is just a number that multiplies a quantity, so it has to do with multiplication. All right, so we need to keep this in mind, so I'm just going to scoot it over here. And let's get started with our problem solving. So I see right here that the problem has given me a ratio. So I'm going to first set up a ratio. So I have 2 centimeters, so every 2 centimeters to 3 feet. Another way to read that would be, or to write that would be 2 to 3. Or you could write it in word form as 2 to 3. So that's our ratio that we are working with. All right, and so now we want to solve this. I think the easiest way to solve this is actually going to be to use a ratio table. So I'm going to start by writing my word ratio. So remember, word ratios are our units. So I have centimeters as my first unit, and my second unit is feet. All right, and next thing I want to do is fill in my table. So the problem tells me this ratio, 2 centimeters, so I'm going to put a 2 with centimeters, 3 feet, 3 with feet. And if the house is 12 centimeters tall in the drawing, so that means 12 needs to go with my centimeters, and I want to know how tall is it in real life. Well, let's think about this. Remember that ratios always have to do with multiplication and division. So I want to figure out, is there something that I can multiply 2 by to get 12? Because my scale factor, I'm multiplying a quantity or an amount, right? So 2 times what will give me 12? Well, 2 times 6 will give me 12. And since it's a ratio, I need to do the same thing to the other number in my ratio to keep them equivalent. So 3 times 6 is going to give me 18, which means that the house is 18 feet tall in real life. Oops, sorry about that. And that is your answer. Hope that was helpful.